If you're seeing Steam error 67, don't worry, this is usually a network-related issue and it often shows up as a connection timeout or too many login failures. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Steam working again as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first, clearing the Steam download cache. Open Steam, click Steam in the top left, then go to Settings and choose Downloads. On that page, look for the option that says Clear Download Cache. Click it, confirm the prompt, and let Steam restart. This step can clear out corrupted or stuck data that may be causing the connection problem. If you still get error 67 after that, the next step is to run Steam as an administrator. Find your Steam shortcut or executable, right-click it, and open Properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator, and click Apply. This gives Steam the permissions it needs to connect properly and avoid unnecessary restrictions from Windows. Next, we're going to clear a couple of configuration files. This sounds technical, but it's very straightforward. Open File Explorer and go to your Steam installation folder, which is usually C:\program files open parenthesis x86 close parenthesis /steam/config. Inside that folder, look for the files named config.vdf and loginusers.vdf. Delete those files, then reopen Steam. Don't worry, Steam will rebuild what it needs, and this can often fix broken login or connection settings. Now let's update your network drivers. Sometimes Steam error 67 is caused by an outdated or unstable network adapter driver. To do this, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, then right-click your active network device and select Update Driver. Choose the automatic search option and let Windows check for the latest driver. Once that finishes, restart your PC and try Steam again. Another important thing to check is your firewall or antivirus software. In some cases, security software blocks Steam from connecting properly. Open Windows, Firewall Settings, and make sure Steam is allowed through both private and public networks. If you use third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable it just long enough to test whether Steam starts working. If it does, you may need to add Steam as an exception instead of leaving your antivirus off. VPN settings can also cause this error. If you're already using a VPN, disconnect from it and try launching Steam normally. On the other hand, if you are not using a VPN, it may be worth trying one, because sometimes ISP routing issues can interfere with Steam servers. Switching your network route can sometimes bypass the problem completely. If none of those fixes work, the next step is to reset your network settings in Windows. Open Windows Advanced Network Settings, find the Network Reset option, and follow the prompts. This will reinstall your network adapters and reset your internet configuration, which can solve deeper connection problems behind Steam error 67. Just remember, after a network reset, you may need to reconnect to Wi-Fi or re-enter some network details. At this point, one of these methods should usually clear the issue. Start with the cache, then move through the driver, security, VPN, and network reset steps until Steam connects normally again. If this video helped you fix Steam error 67, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.